Good day. The date today is 30th December 2022. It's a Friday and the last day of trading for 2022. So you can expect most counter, especially the banking stocks, will do quite a bit of window dressing. They will probably push the price up for a good closing for the year. So you will see some good stock, even stock that are fundamentally no good, but they will actually try to push the closing for today to show a nicer financial report, and that is the stock I'm going to do today. So purely, it will be a trading stock that I will talk about today, and. Uh, I have to make a disclaimer before I start sharing. So, whatever I share here today is purely for information and education. If you decide to follow what I suggest in my trading idea, please first consult your financial planner or your licensed broker. As I said just now, today's stock is I wouldn't say it is not fundamentally no good. I will say that it is just the beginning, because previously this stock is investment grade stock, but due to the two years of economic downturn, it is now also in recovery mode. So the stock I'm talking about today is PR Lexus. PR Lexus, garment manufacturing company, and the stock code is 8966. PR Lexus Berhad, uh, stock code 8966. Okay, anyway, we will go through the fundamental just to tell you that you cannot rely on the fundamental to trade this stock. Okay, as usual, we will calculate the intrinsic value. The intrinsic value is, as usual, the enterprise value divided by the total common shares outstanding. In this case, PR Lexus is enterprise value is 112.14 million, divided by total number common share is 272.07 million, and actually gives you an intrinsic value of 41 cent. The current trading market price, uh, closing half day today, is 49 cents. So you pay about 8 cent premium. So the question is it still worth buying at 49 cents? What is worth 41 cents? To answer that, we have to look at the operating earning yield. Okay. The operating earning yield for PR Lexus, hold on, I think they are refreshing my computer now. Just another few seconds. Okay. The operating earning yield is 7.93% or about 8%, meaning even though you are paying uh, 9 cent differential, uh, the current operating margin of even 3.1% is able to cover, uh, inclusive of the premium you have to pay for the current market price for PR Lexus. Okay, ROIC 2.67 against PE ratio of 15.36. Okay, nothing exciting here. If you look at the magic formula, uh, well, at least it is positive, but I think the growth is slowly only catching up. All right. Price earning ratio forward 2.77. So with the increasing operating margin forthcoming and going forward, the price earning ratio forward will come down, meaning increasing operating margin will reduce the PE ratio to 2.77. Okay. Quite excitingly is the enterprise value over EBITDA, or what I always call the acquirer's multiple, 5.18. Uh, I would just say that even at 49 cent, you are buying at good valuation. All right, good value. No dividend, no payout ratio. So looks like the past 2 or 3 years, there is no performance to pay any dividend. All right. Free cash flow is a bit worrying, minus 26.47 million. Free cash flow margin is minus 11.15%, meaning the current operating margin generated is insufficient to pay for all the capex or the growth metrics of the company. But of course, it's incremental for the moment, all right, and hoping to improve over time. Okay, net debt of 34 minus 34 million, meaning that PR Lexus is a net cash company, despite the fact that its operating margin has not been good over the last few years. Okay, it has a bad debt or doubtful account of minus 218. So meaning looks like they have done some collection of some doubtful accounts receivable from previous bad debt. Poitrovsky expected only three, which is no good at present, but hopefully with the operating margin incremental, we hope to see in the future next 2 or 3 quarters. Altman 2.2. Okay, fair enough, close enough to 2.5. Binish M score, or what I call the accounts manipulation, minus 1.59, which is way below the normal 2.5. It is expected. uh, Company in recovery normally accrue their account and losses. So it is expected that this is the result of non-performance in the last 1 or 2 years. As I mentioned just now, fundamentally, PR Lexus is not a company you can look at for now, but I think given the sentiment of the market, which I'm going to share now with the chart, uh, you can see some changing moves that may give you some good potential. Okay, so if you look at the chart, trend wise, a few higher lows. Okay, but what I'm more interested in is there is actually a golden cross over here. All right, and the MA21 has just last 2 days crossed over the MA233 line, which is the bull line. Okay, the price action has gone above the MA233 line, and it is in bullish mode for the last 2 days, and very long candles as well. Okay, and accompanying that is actually two bars of very high volume last 2 days. Okay, so you could say that this is bias intact. Momentum wise, price action or the candlestick is gone above the cloud, and hopefully it will stay there. And it is actually in the Elio wave, impulse wave 3. Elio impulse wave 3. Let me adjust this. Okay. Okay, so and if you look at the rate of change, so you can see that actually just also 2 days ago, the ROC has gone above the zero line, which is the neutral. So it looks like there is confirmation of momentum as well. It's confirmed by the candlestick, at the same time confirmed by the ROC rate of change. Okay, uh, riding on impulse wave 3 at the apex over here, all right, wave 3. And if you buy the uh, current market price of 49 cent, all right, with a target price of 59 cent, uh, and a cut loss of, let's say, uh, just directly above the cloud here, of 45 cent, all right, it will give you a reward to risk ratio of 2.33 times. Okay, so it is more exciting on the chart, so I will classify this more as a trading stock for PR Lexus as it is now. We have to wait another quarter or two for their financial report. Then I can reconfirm their fundamental again. All right. So if you think that my trading idea today, I am saying trading idea, right? Trading idea shared is informational and educational. Please like, share, and I emphasize, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, Purchase Rationale. Uh, if you do share and subscribe, it actually helps the channel to grow and also allow others who might be interested to watch and to learn, and most of all to benefit from my sharing. Okay, thank you for listening and your time. You have a good day, and I wish you a happy new year over the weekend. All right, end of the year, last day, and good luck to your trading coming next year. And bye bye. Hi, my name is Eddie C. I'm the author of Trend Following Metrics. Please allow me to introduce to you my latest book release. In this book, we explore trend following metrics and its advantages so you may decide if it fits your investing style. Trend following is a trading style that tries to catch the longer trends in the market and ride them for as long as possible. Its advantages are: in trend following, you catch trends from the very beginning. Your entries and exits don't need to be that exact. Trend following don't take away much of your time. You enjoy lower transactional costs relative to day trading. You detect and cut your losses early. I personally recommend the book Trend Following Metrics should you want to deepen your learning about trend following. And I encourage you to read this book. In launching the book Trend Following Metrics, I have a book promotion fair called Read to Improve from the 19th December till January 31st next year. Excuse me. Should you use the discount code TIF Thailand, India, Finland, TIF Thailand, India, Finland, you are entitled to buy any two books from my Trend is Friends books collection at only 45 ringgit. Grab this offer while it lasts. Thank you for listening to my commercial, and I hope to see you then. Thank you and bye bye.